Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you guys subscribing to the channel. If you haven't done so, go ahead and subscribe. It'll only take you half a second, maybe. But anyways, it's been a while since I've been in the kitchen, right? Hunting season is coming to the end. I have one more hunt coming up, and after that, I am done until turkey season. But anyways, with that, I have something special for you guys. I'm gonna be making pastelillos de guayaba. In English, that is pastelillos of guava. I don't know how to say it in English, but it's a pretty famous and traditional pastry from Puerto Rico, okay? You can find this in every bakery out there. They're super delicious, and I'm gonna tell you this, super simple to make, and you can make this at your house, and you can find all the ingredients at your local grocery store. So with that being said, let's get after it and enjoy this video. Peace. Alright guys, the first thing I did was I went to the local grocery store. I was able to find the 2 boxes of the puff pastry sheets. I was also able to find the Guava paste. And you can find this in Walmart and other locations in the Hispanic aisle. So when I got home, I preheated my oven to 400 degrees. Alright guys, I'm just messing with y'all. I hate when people do stuff like this, cut it right in the middle. But seriously, at the end of the day, just cut the guava to your preference. And you're gonna put at least 3 across the top, the middle, and the bottom. Or however you're gonna decide to cut the pastries at the end. Once you're done laying your guava, just go ahead and grab the other sheet and just lay it on top. At this point, I decided to have a quick break of coquito. Thank you, amigaritas, for hooking me up with that pistachio coquito. It's always good, it's always delicious. Appreciate you. Anyways, guys, so go ahead and repeat the process with the second box and you'll be good to go. Alright guys, now that you're done, go ahead and cut your pastries into whatever size you guys decide. The point is for you to have a piece of guava in each pastry. Once you put it in the oven, the initial time that I put mine for was 20 minutes. I did check it once and I left it another 5 minutes until I saw there was enough puffiness in the pastry. Alright guys, so at this point all you just need is some powdered sugar. You can use what I'm using or you can salt bake the powdered sugar. At the end of the day, just make sure you get some sugar in there and you'll be alright. Alright, check it out. So pretty much done deal. Let them rest probably 15 minutes, 20 minutes. I already tried one, to be honest with you. They're super delicious. But hey, this is how they turn out. Try them out. Let me know what you think. They're kind of crunchy and hella messy, so you know, I just put as much of powdered sugar as I wanted. You don't have to do that much or less, however you guys want to do it. Let me know in the comments below if you try this recipe, and if so, how did it turn out, and also if you change anything on it. All right, with that being said, thank you for staying tuned with this video, and let's check this out. I'll make them again. Alex, thanks for the idea. All right, guys, I'm out of here. See you on the next video. Peace.